Woo!
Oh. We're good.
We're chilling. Yeah, I trust this kid. Oh my, that was close.
Yeah, we're just standing here filming.
Oh, yo. Oh, no! What's going on, people? It's been a little while. I think I should start by explaining why I haven't been posting so much on YouTube as, a normal YouTuber that's, committed to having a YouTube channel should. And purely the reason behind that is I just want to sound natural, and I want to have a channel that just reflects who I am and what I do on a personal level, not just going out doing stuff solely for the purpose of the channel. And I want to make that distinction that there is a difference between, people that go out like me and just occasionally record, but really, really genuine quality content, as opposed to stuff like this. But anyway, today we are going off to see JackUltramotive. You all know him. Peachy.media and a couple of others. And we're gonna do some snow shenanigans. And as you can probably see, I am not in the M3 because there's about a foot of snow outside, and that doesn't really seem like the ideal situation for M3 on summer tires. So on that note, I'm taking a Lexus GX with all-wheel drive and decent-ish tires, and we're gonna go have some fun. Good. Look how close he is. I can reach out and touch that. Gosh.
I wouldn't be surprised if I've broken something.
Oh my god. Well, I didn't hear anything. His wheels are still on, somehow. Look at his wheels.
That's so tight. Did it not get any shots? I couldn't even do it. That's alright.
There you go. That was insane.
Hold up. Yo,
Since when did Jag become like a
1952 logo?
Formula drifter? What the heck?
Yo, hold on.
Oh my gosh.
I'll do some more.
Okay. I'm not opposed to that.
Can I ride along? Woo! That's pretty brutal.
Okay.
Where's Mike?
He's right there. We're good. Woo! Oh.
We're good.
We're chilling. Yeah, I trust this kid. Oh my, that was close.
It's hard to. I'm not worried about crashing. It's just hard to actually get a good distance.
Yeah, it's a sweet. Woo!
There we go.
Yo, it feels so. Now I can see why Tim was
So
like
bumpy.
It is really bumpy now.
That one was
That's alright.
The first initial, like when we sent it that way and the initial slide going around, that was good. Everything else was just kind of hard to control.
Yeah.
Everyone thank Mike right here at J Media for filming.
That was pretty epic. That was pretty legendary, bro.
Stay out of the way.
Yeah, you know you drifted hard when your camera's just falling off.
Yo, I also recorded the entire thing.
There's a little shit like this.
Yeah, that was insane.
Seriously, it's so surprising how this shit's still.
Look at that. I'm just gonna poke a hole.
Yeah, it's underneath the back panel.
A few moments later.
Oh no! Hey yo! Oh. Uh-oh. No, maybe. I mean, look how deep this snow is. Maybe. I mean, look how deep this is. Oh, okay. Oh, I almost fell. Yeah, he's stuck.
Fuck.
How did Jack get through this? Well, if you reverse out, you'll be good to go.
2 hours later.
Oh, I see you playing Tokyo Drift. That's what you got. That's what got you, huh?
Yeah.
So that wasn't that hard though to get you out.
Yeah, I know.
Could have been a lot worse.
Yeah, true.
Now my hands are like raw.
Heated seats for you all.
Thank you. I don't think you have traction control off all the way either.
No, I don't, because I had it off and that's what got me stuck.
Ah.
So let's give it one more try.
Okay. I'm not opposed to that. Here, I'll film from the outside for you.
Gotcha.
I just needed to warm up. Okay. There you go. This is things I do for my friends. I'm up almost to my knees in the snow. This is insane. But it's what you do for your mates, huh? Always coming back up. Or is he doing more? Or is he just picking me up? Well, I think he's picking me up. Thank you, kind sir.
Yep.
Well, that was interesting.
Very. It's just the car's really grippy and also gets stuck easily.
But we made it out safe.
True, that's all that matters.
And we're not permanently stuck overnight, so
That too.
that's always a bonus, isn't it?
Sit right down.
Whew. Are you doing more? Is he doing more? Yeah, I think he is. Oh boy. Where does he want to go? Crazy boys. Crazy boys.
Dude, my legs are covered.
My hands are raw, dude. I had to push.
Oh my god, my legs are so cold.
Alright, let's get back down.
Oh, fuck.
This snow is so, it's still snowing. It's not like it's stopped.
Hey.
And look how deep this is. Let me take a step into here. Take like. Oh, there he is. Holy moly. That was close.
Yeah, I don't care.
Ooh! That was also close. Look at that. He's gone. He's gone. I don't know what that CRV's doing. Yeah, we should go down. Alright, we're going down. Helping more people. What happened?
No, there's just so many.
I know, right? I don't know what that guy was doing.
Snowpocalypse Seattle 2019.
This is why there's a state of emergency, because people don't know how to drive. But Let's see what we can do.
It smells like broken.
Solid day. I think that might be a wrap for today. Because I'm about. Oh! Hey! One more! Well, why are they stopped in the middle of the hill?
Oh, it's a Subaru.
Fuck off.
Yeah. Just gas it.
Let's see what happens.
Well,
He's probably gonna look over here and see all of us like stalking him and be like,
and then filming it too. It's like, what are these children doing?
Like,
Oh, hang on. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you see
Oh
that?
shit, yeah.
okay, let's go help.
Oh, he's fine. He's got it.
Isn't
He actually does not got it.
Why is
Yeah,
this hill
he's
like
not. He's
the
not
worst?
looking too hot.
Okay, guys, another stage.
All right, round number 3. Oh, what's he doing? Just go down. Just go down. Oh, I think he might be reversing down, or just going the other way and giving up, or he's trying again.
No, just turning around.
Well, we'll see. There he goes. Yeah, he's fine. There you go. Down you go. Oh, the customer. Uh-oh. Wow, that happened right in front of our eyes. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at his skid. Look at his skid.
dude, that was the best Tokyo Drift skid right there. Oh,
Holy. Oh.
oh.
Your beat intensifies.
I mean, oh.
Down the other
Yeah, we're just standing here filming.
Oh, yo. Oh, no! Hey!
Oh my
Hey, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
Let's go.
Dude,
Hang on,
that
hang
was so
Hang on, one sec. No.
Wait. He's. Yeah, go. We gotta go. Oh, this isn't good.
When beamer drivers start driving a Ford.
Oh, wait, he's good. Wait, he's chilling. That was really scary. Look at
That's gonna make a sick Ford commercial.
that.
Ford,
Oh! He's sending it.
Stop, slow down. Holy
He is sending it.
Slow down. Saw another IS350. Gotta go now. He's like,
Oh, he's safe. Look at that. He's safe. Oh. Okay. No way. There's no way.
I'm actually concerned if I could be able to do that.
Dude, I would not go out.
Wait.
He was got.
Oh, he stopped. Has he stopped? No, he's not. He made it. Oh my gosh. Did he just do that? Yes, he did. Yeah, he just did that. Okay. I'm not hearing any crashes or metal shards flying, so I think we're good to go. And on that note, I think that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time.